a new entrepreneur, which is a word which has become a buzzword in today's industry, where an architect has decided to go and burn himself out into this cruel world of business outside.
Biggest part has been played by my better half, my wife. So she is really the mathematician.
Thank you, Mrs. Nitin Gupta.
I sort of organically have made this shift towards technology and AI. And I think back of my mind is really the problems that we've been facing. You know, it is the industry is highly unorganized.
कौन है ये भाई AI? ये तो बता दो कौन है ये भाई AI? सुन तो लो, सर ने co-pilot बोल दिया, सब कुछ पता। Let's say logically, if I am a layman to understand AI के मैंने drawings लेके कंप्यूटर भाई में डाल दी, तो ये AI भाई कौन है और वो क्या कर रहा है?
तो ये जो पुरानी कहावत है ना, गार्बेज इन गार्बेज आउट,
राइट।
आप अगर गार्बेज डालोगे तो वो आउट गार्बेज ही निकलेगा। तो आप कितना अच्छा डाटा उसको दे पाते हो।
करेक्ट।
तो लेकिन ना अब अमित, वो सिर्फ अब एक स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट रह गया। सारी दुनिया को शायद AI वही समझ में आता है।
Not just ChatGPT, but any of these other models, is basically generative AI answers a question, doesn't solve it.
Right.
It answers what's the nice itinerary to go to Indonesia. It will give you 10 choices, but if it says what's the best choice, it'll give you the same thing again. Right? So the difference between Gen AI and Next AI is solving a problem. So first of all, before I start this particular part of doing an introduction, I want to first thank Nikhil Kamath for the lovely shows WTF that he does, and which has been an inspiration to me to start something for the building industry. So thank you, Nikhil, and your entire team. Thanks to the legend Kapil Sharma, who does what he does the best and entertains the world. We are not entertainers, we are educators. And I also like to thank, of course, Mr. Karan Johar for doing what he does for Bollywood. It's interesting that what I am doing on behalf of WFM today is actually introducing a new entrepreneur, which is a word which has become a buzzword in today's industry, where an architect has decided to go and burn himself out into this cruel world of business outside and become an entrepreneur, got inspired by artificial intelligence and so on and so forth, and decided that he wants to take a plunge. Accomplished architect working for probably one of the top firms in the country, not working for, as a partner in the top firms in the company, and has kind of decided to take a plunge into entrepreneurship. Had a crazy wacky idea to circumvent a challenge in the industry, and there he is taking the plunge. So first of all, we want to wish him all the very best for his new enterprise, and please buy his product so that he can make enough money to make more products. Over to you, Nitin.
Yeah, so Amit bhai, thanks a lot for wanting to hear me out. I would say probably this is God's will.
This is God's will for sure.
It is not something that you plan for, or it just happened. It is crazy if I think sometimes what I'm doing, but then it is giving me the kick of my life. So yes, we are on.
Like Steve Jobs said, no, you love what you do.
So I have loved what I have done, till now.
So you want to talk about it from how it started to where it is today and where you expect it to go?
Oh, absolutely. What really triggered this, I keep thinking about it, is, I would say the biggest part has been played by my better half, my wife. So she is really the mathematician.
Thank you, Mrs. Nitin Gupta.
My, guru as far as AI is concerned. She is the AI expert. Okay. And I'm lucky that she happens to be my wife. And so I...
Touch wood.
And I would say, apart from being an architect, I would consider myself also good at being a rationalist and a mathematics, student, I would say. When I was in school and a little bit of the mathematics that we did in college, I was generally good and I enjoyed it. Probably that is that inner, logic-based thinking and mathematics is what has, triggered this inherently. My mathematics teacher used to love me. Okay. I don't know why, but she used to love me. Maybe now I know why. She always used to say that you are the creative mathematician, right? So that first I did my creative journey, I would say, for the last 30 years I've been doing. Now maybe, architecture. 30 years I've been creating and executing, I would say, consulting for execution of the buildings. So after I would say giving so much from my side, and and really thankfully getting so much back from the industry for last 30 years, I sort of organically have made this shift towards technology and AI. And I think back of my mind is really the problems that we've been facing. It is the industry is highly unorganized. It continuously is struggling.
If you were to fill the gap in a bucket,
Right.
how would you say what are the gaps and what you, with your development, are trying to solve?
So
or fill?
fundamental problem, Amit, is that all of us, I would say the engineers of the industry,
Right.
are struggling every day because of lack of intelligent manpower. All our children are not choosing to be in civil engineering, electrical engineering. They all want to become software engineers, IT engineers, which is good, right?
Or they want to do marketing on social media.
Yeah, they want to be, in some glamorous job. And now that has put so much stress on the senior engineers that, they are just struggling to make the fundamental needs to be met, right?
So fundamental need bole to make drawings.
To make drawings,
Or to make
to
basic
do
stuff.
the basic drawings for construction to just happen.
Right.
So effectively, unfortunately, what it has done is that it has shifted the industry to what we call is a thumb rule design. I would rarely give full respect and credit to an engineer who is doing his engineering methodically by the book, but they are very, very few in the world. 95% of us are doing, largely unoptimized, copy paste, inefficient
But
designing.
while you come to the point, just thought occurred in my mind that fundamentally the problem of lack of engineers and so on is predominantly there in the European or the American nations already for the longest time.
Well, I have now been discovering out of my, this AI initiatives and the marketing.
What do you call your company, just so that we know?
So company is called wavetech.ai.
Wavetech.ai, not W. V.
It's V. And it is an acronym for value analysis, value engineering technology.
That's at the bottom here. And subscribe to our channel, bro. If you want to keep watching stuff, you got to make sure you subscribe, right? Follow, share, do whatever you want to do with it. Sorry, continue.
Right. So this is what, we are trying to do. Value analysis, value engineering. I think this is something that is missing from the industry today.
And that's
because we
globally.
don't have time. Oh, that's global. That is global. Globally, the engineering fraternity is suffering. I would not blame them. There is no complaint. I think this is an environment. We have to, consider it like that. Solution, cannot be in over, making the situation ethical that we should fill in engineers. So it's not going to happen, right? So I think here the technology has to step in.
बच्चों का mood point ही change कर गया है, तो you cannot really shift their mood point.
Yeah, you cannot, fight the world.
Right,
This is
right.
not a war
It
that
doesn't
you
even
want
make
to fight.
sense also.
It doesn't make sense. So the idea is that you create AI co-pilots. That
AI?
is the co-pilots.
AI
Co-pilots. Co-pilots. So this is a very important
so
word.
I want to add this one part that AI is not all bakwas. Some elements are use cases which are good. And what Nitin is talking about is good. The
Right.
AI good.
Thank you. Thank you so much for giving us this credit. So AI co-pilots, when I say, it's a very important thing to stress upon. That idea is not to replace human being.
For
The
sure.
idea is to create an intelligent assistant, a co-pilot.
So you would call
for
it
the
an
human.
agentic AI kind of a thing?
So Amit, it will finally go
Become.
on evolving and become agentic AI and become even more than that one day. But idea is that the intelligent human being, the expert, can focus on creativity. Engineers also sometimes architects and interior designers only take the, credit of being creative. Engineers are one of the most creative people in the world. They are the ones who are through technology trying to do something new
Right.
every time. Now you have to let them do that. How do you let them do that? By taking away the burden of management and day-to-day execution.
The meticulous stuff.
Yeah, let AI do it. AI will become capable of doing
I
it.
want to add a tangent. I am not an AI specialist at all. I have attended lots of conferences. I studied at a cohort of Harvard Business School where there's a lot of talk about AI. I went for a conference recently and somebody was talking about agentic AI. So one day agentic कोई नया फंडा टाइप का होगा, but actually an agent. So if you guys have seen Ananya Pandey's movie where What's Up Bay, where she had an avatar, an agent who did everything for her, is what is agentic AI, is that you have an agent to do your stuff, to book your plane tickets, although quite faltu stuff, but this is not faltu stuff. This is a co-pilot is basically cutting the grind for you and making that time that you can use in creativity. So maybe you run through a demo and we'll run it on the background.
Oh yeah, sure.
Give a use case example.
Absolutely. So you see, this may sound esoteric, too complicated, but I'll try and simplify it.
No, but this is going to your community of young students, architects, and so on.
Right,
hopefully,
right.
that they can understand it better.
So, see, the first problem that we are trying to solve, the larger problem that we are trying to solve, I have already explained that we are creating AI co-pilots for the engineering fraternity, right? Then, but the first problem that we are trying to solve, that, you know, invariably in a air-conditioned building, because there are so many super specialists involved. There is an air conditioning engineer, there is an electrical engineer, there is a plumbing and firefighting engineer.
So all the HVAC.
All the HVAC, and they are all trying to work in this confined space of the false ceiling, you know, where they are hidden or exposed.
मतलब सब कुछ उसी के अंदर ही fit होना है.
सब कुछ वो false ceiling के पीछे है. अब वो आप imagine करो कि एक kind of जब ये लोग अपने अपने zone में काम करते हैं शुरू में, तो एक traffic jam हो जाता है. You know, this is what we call clashes in our industry.
Everybody is working in isolation.
Everybody works in isolation. सबके अपने अपने expertise हैं, अपने office में काम करते हैं.
They also have to charge separately for it.
हाँ, मतलब देखो ideal situation वो थी जो 25 साल पहले होती थी कि प्रोजेक्ट हो रहा है, एक ही प्रोजेक्ट होता था दुनिया में, उसके लिए सब मिलके एक ही ऑफिस में बैठ के काम करते थे. तो मिलके कर रहे हैं तो आपस में मिलके सॉर्ट आउट कर लेते.
बट अब 2500 प्रोजेक्ट.
अब वो नहीं है. हाँ, अब एक एक इंजीनियर के पास 100 प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, तो वो मिलके तो कोई सवाल ही नहीं होता काम कर लेंगे. सो व्हाट,
और आगे वो मुश्किल
होने वाला भी नहीं,
काम तो बढ़ते जाएगा.
होने वाला नहीं है जो हम कह रहे हैं. कोई नए टैलेंटेड इंजीनियर्स बन नहीं पा रहे हैं, तो ये प्रॉब्लम और बढ़नी है, विच इज व्हाट वी कॉल एज अ क्लैशेस एंड कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स प्राइमरीली. तो इसमें क्या करते हैं कि एक फॉल सीलिंग वाली स्पेस में जहाँ स्ट्रक्चर भी होता है, बीम्स भी होते हैं, कॉलम्स उसके थ्रू जा रहे होते हैं, तो आपको जब वो पहली बार मॉडल बन के आता है. अच्छा, इसमें मैं एक और चीज़ कहूँगा जो नई चीज़ है इंडस्ट्री की, कि अब ये हो रहा है कि डिजिटल ट्विन एक बड़ा एस्टैब्लिश टर्म है कि आपको कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है तो प्रोजेक्ट्स इतने कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होते हैं कि उसका आप एक पहले डिजिटल ट्विन बना लीजिए.
जैसे पहले
बिल्कुल सिमुलेट कर लीजिए.
जैसे छोटा सा एक वो
मॉडल बना लेते हैं. तो फिजिकल मॉडल था, अब वो कंप्यूटर में बना लेते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड अ डिजिटल ट्विन फंडामेंटली. तो इस डिजिटल ट्विन में
दैट्स ऑलरेडी हैपनिंग.
That is happening. That is already happening. उसके अलग सॉफ्टवेयर पूरी के पूरे सिस्टम.
So that's Revit or
Revit, ArchiCAD. There are many softwares for that. तो उसमें क्या होता है कि आप ये सारी चीजें सिमुलेट कर लेते हो. अब जब जैसे ही सिमुलेट कर लेते हो, पिछले 10 साल से ऐसे सॉफ्टवेयर थे कि वो क्लैशेस को डिटेक्ट कर लेते थे. आपको दिख जाता था कि यहाँ ये भिड़ रहे हैं आप.
Let's say red flags हो गए.
रेड फ्लैग्स हो गए. उसमें फ्लैग कर देता था. लेकिन एक बार डिटेक्ट करने के बाद भी
सॉल्व नहीं करा.
इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सिस्टम होता था. फिर दोबारा उसको कोलैबोरेट करते थे, उसको हर एक को अपने अपने रास्ते दिखाते थे.
नेट इज जस्ट अ ओवर एप्लीकेशन ऑफ टाइम टू डिराइव द सेम फाइनल रिजल्ट.
हाँ, आपको देखिए, लेट अस से कि आपको किसी ने ट्रैफिक सिग्नल तोड़ते हुए पकड़ लिया, राइट? चलिए, आपको चालान भी कर दिया, पर उससे प्रॉब्लम तो सॉल्व नहीं हुई ना.
अब तो कैमरे ने खींचा और आपको चालान भेज दिया.
जो आपको प्री डिसिप्लिन करना है ना, वो फंडामेंटली हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर अब क्या कर रहा है एआई इस्तेमाल करके, दैट इट इज एबल टू ऑटोमेटिकली रिमूव दीज क्लैशेस. देख लेता है. अब उसको एआई को हमने इतना ट्रेन कर दिया है दैट इट इज एबल टू.
एक मिनट नितिन, मैं सॉरी है थोड़ा सा फिर से जाता हूँ. एआई कौन है ये भाई? एआई ये तो बता दो, कौन है ये भाई एआई? सुन तो लो, सर ने को पायलट बोल दिया, सब कुछ. मतलब लेट्स से लॉजिकली व्हाट इज द, इफ आई एम अ लेमैन टू अंडरस्टैंड एआई के मैंने ड्राइंग्स लेके कंप्यूटर भाई में डाल दी, तो ये एआई भाई कौन है और वो क्या कर रहा है?
तो देखिए, एआई बड़ा अच्छा सवाल है आपका. इट्स अ ग्रेट क्वेश्चन.
मुझे अभी तक समझ नहीं आता, इसलिए मैं पूछ रहा हूं.
आई थिंक ओके, मैं भी कोई एआई का एक्सपर्ट नहीं हूँ, लेकिन तो इसलिए मैं शायद बेटर समझा पाऊंगा, राइट? क्योंकि मैंने भी सीख के समझा है. तो इसको हम ऐसे इमेजिन करते हैं कि आपको जब आपका बच्चा पैदा होता है तो आप वो कैसे सीखता है इस दुनिया में। आप उसके सामने पहले ए दिखाते हो, उसको एप्पल दिखाते हो, फिर उसको बोलते हो ए फॉर एप्पल, बी फॉर बिग या बी फॉर बॉय, सी फॉर कैट, बिल्ली दिखाते हो। तो
M for mobile, I for Instagram, and S for
बच्चों के लिए
Snapchat.
आजकल ये है, that's right.
Right.
तो आप एक तरीके से बच्चे के दिमाग में डाटा डाल रहे हो कॉन्टिन्यूसली और
Fundamentally,
उसको
you're
दिखा रहे हो।
putting data into a computer
हाँ,
or a server or
बिल्कुल।
whatever.
तो एआई को भी आप डाटा दिखा दिखा के उसको फीड कर करके धीरे धीरे ट्रेन कर रहे हो उसको। दैट इज व्हाट वी स्टार्टेड विद एज मशीन लर्निंग, कि आप
point.
मशीन को लर्न करा रहे हो कि वो धीरे धीरे समझ रहे हैं आपकी बात। तो उसको जो दोगे, अब बच्चे को जो दिखाओगे वो सीखेगा, राइट। तो इसीलिए अगर आप उसको बच्चे को आप एक हेल्थ केयर के वो दिखाते हो कि भाई ये प्रिस्क्रिप्शन इसको दी है, बीमारी इसकी ये थी, ये प्रिस्क्रिप्शन दिया, तो वो कॉन्टिन्यूसली यही सीखने लग जाएगा कि ये बीमारी थी, ये मेडिसिन दी, ये बीमारी थी, ये मेडिसिन दी। तो उसके वो इंटेलिजेंस बढ़ती जाएगी।
और जैसे हम अब बड़े हो गए, हमें पता है कि अगर सर दर्द हो रही है, रात को हैंगओवर हो गया, तो स्टाइडाउन खा लो या इनो ठोक लो।
तो वो आपकी डाटा कर करके डॉक्टर ने आपको सिखा दिया,
ट्रिगर हो गया
इतने टाइम पे कि आप सीख गए हो इंटेलिजेंस में।
Correct.
यही एआई है। फाइनली आपके कंप्यूटर में, इनकी दुनिया में एक एल्गोरिदम वर्ड है जो कि यूज करते हैं। तो वो एल्गोरिदम में कोड से इन्होंने एक बना लेते हैं कि उसको ये सिखाने का तरीका है। फाइनली आप उसको फिर बड़े सिंपल तरीके से डाटा देते हो, वो ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं। डाटा आपने सुना होगा, जो डाटा साइंटिस्ट होते हैं उनका काम ही ये है कि डाटा को कैसे ब्रेक डाउन करें कि वो एआई को ट्रेन कर पाए, उसको कॉन्टिन्यूसली एक लर्निंग दे पाए।
जस्ट टू ऐड, कोई बंदा किसी को कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, इट्स जस्ट डेटा बीइंग फेड इनटू अ सिस्टम व्हिच हैज एन एल्गोरिथम व्हिच बेसिकली अंडरस्टैंड्स व्हाटएवर दे आर इनपुटिंग एंड दे आर सीकिंग एन आउटपुट फ्रॉम द सेम, एंड दैट आउटपुट इज जस्ट गेटिंग better and better as the more data being inputted is more accurate. It can be inaccurate as well. If you put wrong data in, you probably will get wrong data out.
बिल्कुल।
So that's an important element.
तो ये जो पुरानी कहावत है ना, गार्बेज इन गार्बेज आउट,
Right.
आप अगर गार्बेज डालोगे तो वो आउट गार्बेज ही निकलेगा।
correct,
तो आप कितना अच्छा डाटा उसको दे पाते हो।
Correct.
तो लेकिन ना अब अमित, वो सिर्फ अब एक स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट रह गया। सारी दुनिया को शायद एआई वही समझ में आता है। अब वो एआई को इंजीनियर्स और साइंटिस्ट ने इतना डेवलप कर लिया है कि उसको कॉन्टिन्यूसली रूल्स, जैसे कि भाई एक बच्चे को स्कूल में जाके रूल सिखाते हैं कि ये करना है, आप ये अच्छी वो बोलोगे, आप अच्छा बिहेव करोगे,
Correct.
आप साफ सुथरे दिखोगे तो आपको सामने वाला लाइक करेगा।
Let's say over the period of time and not so long with AI, hygiene हो गया है थोड़ा सा,
मतलब
basic,
रूल बेस्ड।
हाँ वही
उसको
basic
ट्रेनिंग रूल बेस्ड और दे जा रहे हो। अब इस लिमिट पे पहुंच गए हैं कि जो हमने अपने सॉफ्टवेयर में यूज करा है वो है रीइंफोर्समेंट लर्निंग। नाउ दिस इज, देयर आर टू काइंड्स ऑफ एआई इन द इंडस्ट्री टुडे। एक है जनरेटिव एआई, जो कि हम वो चैट जीपीटी देखते हैं, which is large language models.
So also I want to explain, sorry Nitin, just to intrude, what I learned about not just ChatGPT but any of these other models is basically generative AI answers a question, doesn't solve it.
Right.
It answers what's the nice itinerary to go to Indonesia. It will give you 10 choices, but if it says what's the best choice, he'll give you the same thing again. Right? So the difference between Gen AI and Next AI is solving a problem.
तो अभी आप तो चले गए हो और एक स्टेज आगे। मैं पहले दो डिफरेंट टेक्नोलॉजी समझाता हूँ।
Okay.
तो जेन एआई जो
I think
है,
we should tell everybody,
right,
not that we are any experts on AI. Mr. Sam Altman, जय हो, आपकी जय हो। मिस्टर गूगल बाबा, जेमिनी, आपकी भी जय हो, और वगैरह वगैरह की जय हो।
तो देखिए जेन एआई है उसका एआई का क्रिएटिव साइड, जो लार्ज लैंग्वेज मॉडल है उसको वो नए नए पैटर्न्स क्रिएट कर रहा है। पर एक दूसरा सिस्टम होता है टेक्नोलॉजी जिसे हम कहते हैं रीइंफोर्समेंट लर्निंग। बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है। इसमें आप एक्यूरेसी सिखाते हो, इसमें आप ये कहते हो, अब ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग मेथोडोलॉजी है कि जब वो ठीक काम करेगा उसको आप एक रिवॉर्ड दोगे, जब वो गलत काम करेगा उसको आप एक पेनल्टी दोगे।
एग्जाम्पल?
तो एग्जाम्पल, एक रोबोट को आपको एक रास्ता समझाना है,
स्ट्रेट लाइन,
ठीक है, स्ट्रेट जहां पहुंचाना है, आप उसको एक दे दो कि यहां से यहां पहुंचना है। अगर वो उसकी डायरेक्शन में चला तो उसको आपने रिवॉर्ड दिया, उल्टी डायरेक्शन में गया तो उसको पेनल्टी दी। अब ये कहना बड़ा आसान है, कोई ऐसा है थोड़ी, लेकिन ये मैथमेटिशियंस करते हैं।
जैसे आजकल इन अ लॉट ऑफ कार्स लेन चेंजिंग में वो टू करना शुरू कर देती है।
तो वो बहुत बेसिक है,
करेक्ट,
लेकिन ये बहुत मैथमेटिकल है। लेट अस से कि मैथमेटिकली उसको
आपके डेटा पॉइंट्स
पेनल्टी रिवॉर्ड दे रहे हैं। तो वो क्या है, बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग। उसको अगर मैं कभी दिखाऊं, तो वो एक कर्व पकड़ लेता है जिसमें कि वो डायरेक्शन अपनी सही पकड़ने लग जाता है। तो दिस इज रीइंफोर्समेंट लर्निंग।
Okay.
इंजीनियरिंग के काम में ये ज्यादा इस्तेमाल होती है। अब जो आप जिस तरफ कह रहे थे कि जो एजेंटिक एआई, तो एजेंटिक एआई आपकी मशीन लर्निंग, जनरेटिव एआई और रीइंफोर्समेंट लर्निंग तीनों को कंबाइन करके आप एजेंट्स क्रिएट कर रहे हो जो कि पहले डाटा से सीखेंगे, उसके बाद अब आपने उसको एक प्रॉब्लम दी तो वो जनरेटिव एआई से आपको उस चीज के सॉल्यूशंस देंगे। उसके बाद आपने सॉल्यूशन से पूछना भी शुरू कर देंगे, एक्शन लेना शुरू कर देंगे कि अब इसमें से
So you
आपको
call
क्या
it
क्या चाहिए।
CTA, call to action.
दैट्स राइट, कॉल टू एक्शन लेना शुरू कर देंगे। फाइनली वो अपने आप को इम्प्रूव भी करेंगे रीइंफोर्समेंट लर्निंग यूज करके। मतलब उसने जो पास्ट में एक्शन लिया था उस पे उसको कितनी पेनल्टी रिवॉर्ड मिली, उसके बेसिस पे अपने आप को इम्प्रूव भी करते रहेंगे।
So in short, the product that you have made, if I correctly understand, is you feed in data of drawings, dimensions in your false ceiling. It can simulate what should be the right HVAC layout, air conditioning layout, plumbing layout without defect, or let's say zero defect for you to analyze and check, and will come out with a printout of what the drawing should be for execution.
तो हमारा बेस क्या है कि हमने उसको ये सिखा रहे हैं कि ये वाली सिचुएशन अगर तुम्हें दिख रही है कि क्लैश है मैथमेटिकली, तो इसको तुम ये तरीके अपनाओ। वो क्लैश को आप मूव करके दो एलिमेंट्स को दूर कर सकते हो, अगर यूं क्लैश हो रहा है तो बेंड करके कर सकते हो।
बट वो तो फिर एक ह्यूमन एलिमेंट पर्सन ही देखेगा इसको।
तो
जो final decision-
एआई का ही ये ब्यूटी है कि आपको एआई उसको फंडामेंटली पकड़ लेता है कि ये मेरे को क्लैश कर रहा है और इसको मैं हिला देता हूं तो ये क्लैश रिमूव हो जाता है। तो वो धीरे धीरे करके अपनी इंटेलिजेंस इतनी ज्यादा बिल्डअप कर लेता है कि वो एक शॉर्ट टाइम में, जिस पीरियड में आप कहो कि ह्यूमन बींग्स को आपस में कोलैबोरेट करके डिसीजन मेकिंग करके जिसमें महीनों निकल जाते हैं, वो ये दिनों में कर देता है काम। दैट इज द लेवल ऑफ स्पीड,
the time saving
कंप्यूट पावर।
and more efficient.
एब्सोल्युटली। तो आप देखिए इसमें क्या आ रहा है फंडामेंटली, हमारी एक जो कंप्यूट पावर की एक लिमिट है ह्यूमन बीइंग की, बहुत तेज है, क्रिएटिव है, क्विकली लर्न करता है, लेकिन कंप्यूटर की तो कोई लिमिट नहीं है। आप उसको जितना डाटा वो तो कर देता है अपनी उसमें,
तो अपना size बढ़ा दो उसका।
स्पेशली थैंक्स टू ऑल दी, अब वो गूगल ने एक और बड़ा फास्ट प्रोसेसर निकाल लिया है, तो ये तो कंप्यूट पावर बढ़ती
देखो,
जानी
उनकी
है।
लड़ाई में फायदा हमारा भी
हमारा हो रहा है, बिल्कुल ठीक
वो
बात।
लड़ते मरते रहे,
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
हमारे लिए प्रोडक्ट बनते रहे।
एनवीडिया ने जो
Right.
रिवोल्यूशन करी
So
है,
where are you now with the product? Are we ready for demo?
तो हम बिल्कुल डेमो तो हमारा बहुत टाइम से रेडी है। अब तो प्रोडक्ट हमारा बिल्कुल लॉन्च करने के उस पे है। इन मे वी आर
So if
लॉन्चिंग
I want to buy it, can I buy it?
यू कैन बाय इट इन मे।
We can buy it in May. In this link, you will get a link that you can actually get a demo. So when you will click on this link, it will take you to their admin, where I guess it will tell you whether you need a username or a password or whatever.
राइट राइट।
And it will guide you through, I hope, automatically without having to do any nonsense, that you, at least you can see a demo. And through our platform, through here, we'll also run a small demo of the software, a short few minutes to demonstrate the input and the output. So you're excited?
वी आर एक्साइटेड।
Are you working 28 hours a day?
कलाम मैं ये कहूंगा, कलाम साहब की जो स्टेटमेंट है ना कि भाई वो होता है सपने जो सोने नहीं देते, अभी वो वाला हमारा हाल हुआ है।
तो रॉकेट बॉयज 1, रॉकेट बॉयज 2 आपने बहुत बार देख ली होगी।
कि भाई हम सो नहीं पा रहे हैं एक्साइटमेंट में कि अब आगे क्या आना है इसमें, और हमारे को नए नए जो उसमें थॉट प्रोसेस आए जा रहे हैं। एवरी टाइम वो हम कुछ फीडबैक मिलता है, इनकॉर्पोरेट करते हैं, तो वो पूरा प्रोसेस
अभी
हमारा
तक
भी
जो
चल रहा है।
जर्नी रही, एंड बी ऑनेस्ट अबाउट इट, कि आपने बहुत लोगों को डेमो दी होगी, डिस्कस किया होगा, व्हाट इज द फीडबैक सो फार?
फैंटास्टिक।
टच वुड।
तो मैं टचवुड आई थिंक, और मैं व्हाट आई वुड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू से ग्लोबली US, UK, Europe, Middle East, India obviously, and the entire Southeast Asian countries, wherever, see, it's a problem of the entire world. Wherever
True that.
you have buildings, wherever you have complicated services happening, MEP services, the problem will be there, right?
And how do you
globally it is being received very well, and very positive feedback is coming back.
And how do you think of competition coming your way?
So as
mean,
of
that's a
now,
real-
we are lucky. We've got patent published
Or you got a
for
patent?
this. We got a patent published.
Indian company, let's say Indian
Indians,
person company,
Indians,
of course, is
yeah.
and listed in Singapore, but got a patent for developing a AI product out of India, developed, conceived, and produced and designed in India. So happy made in India product. Thank you very much for that.
Oh, absolutely. I think full credit to the Indian education system, to our, I would say, family system, which is able to create these brilliant young engineers, that we are able to, it's an unlimited treasure that we have, and I think the whole of country should be very proud of it, that we have been, in only a period of 1 year, Amit, at a rock bottom cost, we have been able to do this, and we are lucky.
It's like
I
that
would say.
Chinese guy made the
DeepSeek, that's right. So we are not there yet, but I think with God's blessings, we'll be there. And yes, I think we.
So a trial is free to try, right? If I want a demo.
Oh,
version.
yes, it is right
And
now.
that's at this link that you can try. And
Yes. So
demo.
for 40 days, you can try it for free.
Okay.
And even finally, my philosophy was learning from my own experience that do not charge a very heavy capital cost on the software. That itself is a roadblock.
Anyway, it's going to be a
for
pay-per-user-
technology adoption.
pay-per-user
Right.
model
So it'll
eventually.
be a pay-per-use, and on a success basis. So whatever you get, out of it, you only pay for that. It is not कि तुम्हें बाद में regret हो रहा है कि मैंने
So
चला
you're
दिया
jumping into an entrepreneur journey where you're going to pay a lot of salary to a lot of people, and you have to make money to make sure it works. It's like a startup, right?
It is a startup.
So do you feel like a startup entrepreneur yourself?
So it is shit scary. I have to tell you honestly, and that is also one of the reasons why one cannot sleep. But I think the whole world, is very supportive. I would say we are lucky in today's time towards innovation, towards new ideas, and I think the kind of encouragement that I have been getting, as an architect who's shifted towards technology and doing something new,
So,
is what is kicking.
so what are all your other colleagues and peers in your company and other people telling you? Have you gone mad?
Well,
You're leaving a cushy place of comfort, deriving X amount of money. एक ही हो गया पाजी, थोड़े बाल भी चले गए ने, आज कर रहे हो.
Well, I tell you, I think I have been getting all sorts of comments.
For sure. Ignore.
And advices and
Ignore.
all. And my wife asked me, any regrets? My answer was, regret my foot, That is what I would say.
No, Nitin,
It is,
I have in my life almost the same time as you, 30 years. I have done multiple businesses, and this is also a business. This we are doing for WFM.
Right.
And lots of people said, "Do you have nothing else to do in your life? That's why you're doing this." I said, "Yeah, I have. I don't really care a shit what you think. I think what I think, and I think what I want to do. And for my lovely team of WFM to make the next step, to make a global business out of this is what the vision for. So, and anything which, but you have to be practical. We've had this discussion a few times sitting right here.
Right.
And what you should do is just be practical whenever you're setting out to do a new business. Be practical, solve a problem. Don't solve what you think is a problem. Solve a real big problem. And I think a lot of these things will come out from India going forward with time. Are you going to miss doing your architecture design work?
Well, I'll miss that, no doubt. I love that, and I think I will continue to do some projects for passion. If my clients are willing to,
Just to stay connected.
bear with me.
But to stay connected to the core.
Yeah,
of what's going
I
on.
would say probably that's a luxury that I may enjoy. Depends, I think clients are God. They have to trust me on that. If they trust me, then I'll do it for them.
But Nitin, trust is built with time, experience, and the ability that you have served these same customers for multiple projects repeatedly.
Right,
So
right.
trust to build ho gayi.
Right. So I'm just hoping that
As long as you deliver the result.
That's right.
at
But
what-
at the same time, I think as you mentioned that it's a new journey, and I think one has to tread it very carefully. A very important point, and my is that finally you have, as you mentioned, you have to solve a real problem.
Yeah, you have to
Right?
solve your
One should not at all get emotionally swayed with either with technology or with your own thinking. One has to customer is the king here. If the customer wants it, you have to
Fair
make it
point.
for
A
that.
product speaks much larger than any one of us can ever
True,
do,
true.
irrespective of technology. And iPhone, we have a setting here with God knows how many cameras, and this delivers high quality, not Not that I have anything against an iPhone, but that's the way it works. Nitin, I wish you all the very best for
Thank
your
you, thank you.
project.
Thank you, Amit.
Our
Thank
best.
you so much.
Wish all of us, let's wish Nitin best of luck, guys. On 1, 2, 3, best of luck.
Thank you
And
so
hope
much.
Hope that WaveTech.ai becomes the first unicorn coming out of here, and first time came from here. So 10% equity goes to me. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, guys.